Okay, now it's time to do something that I haven't done in a while, which is another edition of Canteen Cup cocktails. And there's a lot of gnats right in my face. Jeez, man, those are tough. Okay, so here's what we got. This is one of my favorite drinks, and it's a really easy drink. So first of all, we got to get our Canteen Cup, all right? And then we're gonna need a generous amount of ice. And you have to hear that clank. That's important. Okay. So got a little bit of ice in here. About half the Canteen Cup full of ice. All right. Now, here is what we got. We have 6 ounces of Pinnacle Citrus Vodka. All right. So we're gonna get our Canteen Cup here, and we're gonna get this Pinnacle Citrus Vodka, and we're just gonna, just a drop. Oh wow. All right, that makes half of the Canteen Cup full of vodka. Now we got Sprite Zero Sugar, and I like Sprite Zero Sugar because it's not as sweet. You're already using the citrus vodka. You can make it with regular Sprite, but it's not as good. So now, ooh, hear that fizz?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. All right. So now here we go. We're just gonna fill her up. Oof. Oh, you guys, look at this. Look at this. Oh, there's our Canteen Cup cocktail. Now, let's see how this is.
Surprise, surprise.
This ought to be interesting. Woo!
Bit on the spiky side, huh?
Oh man, that's good. Once again, 6 ounces of vodka. That's all the vodka I got. 6 ounces of vodka, some ice, and some Sprite Zero Sugar. And you got yourself a backwoods Canteen Cup cocktail. And this is a great place to do Canteen Cup cocktails because me and Trailblazer Tim are out in the middle of the woods at the Herky Huffman Bull Creek Wildlife Management Area. And we're social distancing because Tim is 6 feet away
And
over
there's
there.
nobody out here.
And there's nobody out here.
Except the gnats.
It's dead quiet. We're close to the cemetery, but there's going to be no cemetery hijinks. So here we go. Another edition of Canteen Cup cocktails. And until next time, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy saying, I will see you on the trail. Wow.
Tastes like another.
That's a good fucking drink there, dude.